Yeah guys, welcome back. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign up on your Bitget or exchange as a beginner. So let's get started. So I'm going to open my Bitget. So if you now have Bitget on your Android phone, on your iPhone, you can go to your Play Store to go and download the Bitget, or you go to your App Store to go and download it. So for Android, you go to your Play Store. For iPhone, you go to your App Store. So I'm going to click on the Bitget exchange. Now this is how the interface is going to look like. What you need to do is click on there, get started, and yeah, you say welcome back. So I'm going to click on create account. If you don't have any account already, you can just email address, password. So now I'm going to put the email address, or you want to use your mobile number, you can use your mobile number. So I'm going to use my email address. I'm going to use this, and after that you could put your password there. So I'm going to put my password. So after that, click on, you have any given option, just click on I have read the policy and click on create account, and our account has started creating. So let's wait for it. Yes, this account is starting creating now. It's very easy. Turn out they ask to select this order, so make sure you select all this how it is. The first thing is this one, the second one is this one, and the third one is this one, and click on OK. So verification successful. Our account now, they have sent our message to our email, so I'm going to go to the email to go and rectify the code sent to the email. So I'm going to open the email. Now go to the account, the email account, and this is it. Click on it, and you can see, just click on the code, then you can copy the code directly. You go back to your Bitget to go and paste the code there. Alright, sorry guys, let's wait for it. Just click on it like this, and you're going to click on paste, then click on confirm. So they say access your account easily. I'm not going to. If you want to use a fingerprint, you can use a fingerprint, but I'm not going to use fingerprint. Just click on later. Okay guys, our account has been creating, so let's wait a little for it to create finish. Okay, now so they say you have to complete identity before trading, so you just click on verify to verify anything, and this is it. Your Bitget wallet account has created. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, comment, and see you in our next video. Thank you guys.